Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another video, but it's not a baking video. Instead, we have a home cooking DIY-esque video. I don't know, we're sticking with the trends today everyone, and we're making hot honey. So to make hot honey, we need some chilies. These are from my partner's mum's garden. Don't they look absolutely delicious? We need some vinegar. I'm just using white vinegar, but you can use apple cider if you want to. And we need some honey, obviously. Now you can use any honey. I just got this one from the supermarket. Look at that honey pour. Oh my gosh, can we get that in slow motion, please? All right, step 1, chop up your chilies nice and small. Look at my speedy little knife go. Watch your fingies. Don't you love the color on these? Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Once your chilies are chopped up, make sure to wash your hands. You don't want any of those chili seeds going anywhere near your face. Then you're gonna grab your little pot. You're gonna add your honey, your vinegar, and your chilies. Whoops, forgot to film that. And add it all into your pot and give that a nice little mixy mix all together. Now we just let that simmer for a few minutes. By the way, I should clarify, we are not using measurements for this recipe. We are just going with feeling. Namaste, everyone. Now just make sure you don't let that hot honey boil over like I almost did in this scene here. Oops, what the heck? Once you've let your hot honey simmer for about 10 minutes, take it off the heat and let it cool completely. Once cool, pour your hot honey into a jar and you can enjoy it straight away. At this point, it is honestly so good. Or you can let it sit for a few days or a few weeks to really let the heat from those chilies infuse longer. That is up to you. Now, a lot of people do tend to strain their hot honey at this point. I don't. I like to leave the chilies in. I think it adds more flavor and it honestly looks a lot better as well. But that is totally up to you what you want to do at this point. Now, hot honey is often enjoyed on savory snacks such as pizza. I don't have pizza today, everyone, but I do have this lovely bowl of pasta, so I'm going to drizzle that all over my pasta and enjoy. Now you can seal up your hot honey in a nice airtight jar. Add a label that you stole from your partner's label maker that he highly disapproved of. And there you have it, everyone. We have our hot honey. Please leave a like for this video and subscribe, or leave a comment down below if you have any other recipe suggestions. Thank you all very much for watching. See ya!